I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make French onion soup mix. First, gather your essential ingredients: dried onion flakes, beef bouillon granules, and a selection of common seasonings. It's important to ensure everything is fresh to achieve the best possible flavor. Accurate measurement is key for a consistent and delicious mix every time. This simple method will save you time and money. Now let's combine the dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, mix together 1/2 cup of dried onion flakes, 2 tablespoons of beef bouillon granules, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, add 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of granulated sugar. Finish with a 1/4 teaspoon of celery seed and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper for depth. Once all your ingredients are thoroughly combined, transfer the homemade French onion soup mix into an airtight container. For optimal freshness and flavor, store it in a cool, dark pantry away from direct sunlight and moisture. When you're ready to use it, simply whisk 2 tablespoons of your mix into 1 cup of hot water for a quick and flavorful broth. It's perfect for dips or soup bases. Making your own French onion soup mix offers several advantages. You'll save money compared to store-bought packets, and you gain full control over the ingredients, which is great for managing dietary restrictions or preferences. This homemade version is incredibly versatile for various recipes. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.